In this video, I'll show you how to set mute time in x.com, formerly Twitter, step by step. If you want to manage certain words or phrases for a specific period of time instead of muting them forever, this is a quick and easy setting to know. Before we jump in, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials just like this. Now let's get started. First, go to the left navigation bar and click on More. This opens up the additional menu options inside X. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll find all of the account and content control settings for your profile. Next, click on Privacy and Safety. This section is where X keeps tools related to your timeline, visibility, and content preferences. After that, click on Mute and Block. Here, you'll see the options for managing things you don't want to see on your account. Now click on Muted Words. This opens the list of words, phrases, hashtags, or usernames that you've muted on X. At this point, select the muted word you want to edit. You can review the existing settings for that word before making any changes. Once you have the muted word selected, look for the Change Mute Time option. Turn on the toggle and choose the desired time range that you want. You can set it for the time period that works best for you, whether that's temporary or for a longer duration. After selecting the new mute time, your changes will be saved and that word will now follow the updated mute schedule. And that's it. You've now set mute time in x.com or Twitter. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick how-to guides.